Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 2022 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the apps. As you can see, they will be almost at the very top of the list. So let's tap on apps, and now in the general section we have to tap on special app access. Now let's find the option which is called install unknown apps. It should be somewhere here. And as you can see, here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case to install some content. Of course you can change it. Just find the app you'd like to allow and tap on it. So let me pick Chrome and tap on the switcher right here. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the Chrome from now on is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually your whole device at risk, so remember about that, please. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, so you can tap on Drive, Gmail, Lenovo, Ready For, and whatever app you've got here, tap on it and tap on the switcher. If you'd like to turn off the permissions, because of course you can do it, and then just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, the Chrome, in my case of course, is not allowed to install anything. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Motorola Razr 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.